In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a stylus with Excalidraw. If you're new to Excalidraw, it's a simple browser-based whiteboard that's great for sketching diagrams, notes, and ideas. Using a stylus makes it feel much more natural, almost like drawing in a notebook, and today I'll walk you through the essentials so you can get smooth, clean results. First, open your preferred browser and head to excalidraw.com. It loads right in the page, so there's nothing to install and no account required. Give it a second to initialize, and consider maximizing your window to get as much canvas space as possible. If you're on a tablet, rotate to landscape for a wider drawing area and make sure your stylus is connected and working at the system level before you begin. Next, look for the pen or draw tool in the toolbar. The icon typically looks like a squiggly line or pen tip. Tap it with your stylus to activate freehand drawing mode. If the toolbar is collapsed, just expand it so you can clearly see the tools. You'll know you're in the right mode when your cursor changes and your strokes follow your hand movement instead of placing shapes. Before you start sketching, take a moment to configure your drawing settings. At the top or side, you can adjust the stroke color, thickness, opacity, and the overall style of your lines. Thicker strokes are great for titles or bold outlines, while thinner lines help with detail work. Opacity can help with shading or layering ideas, and a rougher style gives that hand-drawn, whiteboard look, whereas a cleaner style feels more technical. Pick a color palette you'll reuse to keep your notes consistent. If you prefer a darker or lighter canvas, adjust the background for comfort. Also, zoom to a level that makes your handwriting feel controlled. Too far in or out will affect accuracy. Now start drawing. Rest your palm comfortably on the screen if your device supports palm rejection, and keep your movements fluid. Use the undo button whenever a line doesn't look right. Quick iterations are part of the process. If you need to clean up edges or remove a stroke, switch to the eraser and lightly pass over the areas you want to fix. To rearrange anything, switch to the selection tool, tap your strokes, and move or resize them as needed. On touch devices, pinch to zoom and use two fingers to pan around the canvas so your hand stays relaxed. As you work, remember that simple, legible strokes beat overly complex lines. When you're happy with your drawing, you can save or export your canvas to share or continue later. And that's it. Go to the site, choose the pen or draw tool, tune your settings, and start drawing with your stylus.